Hey everyone, today we received this nose wax kit. Not only does it do nose, but it also does eyebrows as well. So I'm going to open this box and show you what all comes in this kit. First thing you'll have in this kit is a mustache buffer, which you can put it on your mustache if you have one. So that way your mustache is safe from getting anything pulled out, any hair or whatever the cause may be. Also, it comes with disposable cups that you put the wax in, and it comes with this plastic cup that you put the water in. Also in the kit, it comes with disposable sticks, which we'll demonstrate in a little bit. This is what you'll dip down into the wax. And the wax comes in a bag and little beads like this. So in just a minute, I'm going to demonstrate on how to get this ready to have your nose hairs removed. So after you get your wax ready, you stick your disposable sticks into the wax to get them ready. To get the wax ready, like I mentioned earlier, you'll put your wax in this disposable cup here, put your water in the plastic cup, you'll put it in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. After you get it out, you'll stir the wax with disposable sticks. Make sure you put your mustache protector on, and this is how we do it. After you get the applicator stuck in your nose, once the wax gets hard, all you're going to do is take your hand, you got to grab your nose, and as you pull, you're going to push down with your finger. Just like that. As you see, it gets all the hair. Just like that.